Struggling to write knowledge-based articles manually? What if you could create high-quality support content in seconds using AI? Today, I'll show you how Support Genix's Write with AI feature helps you generate complete knowledge-based articles with just one click. This feature is perfect for quickly scaling your support content. Support Genix uses AI to automatically write clean, organized, support-ready articles. You only provide a title and add some related keywords, and the AI generates a fully formatted, ready-to-publish article. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Support Genix dashboard and navigate to Knowledge Base. Add new docs. Now click the Write with AI button. In the title field, type what you want the article to be about. For example, how to set up the Write with AI to create knowledge-based article. Add some related keywords. Now generate the content. Support Genix will instantly start generating a full article based on your title. You'll see the AI-generated article appear automatically. Review the content. It's structured and ready for customers. Once satisfied, simply click Publish, and your new AI-written article is instantly live in your knowledge base. This feature helps you save hours of writing time and maintain consistent documentation. It's fast, accurate, and perfect for delivering better customer self-service. And that's how you can create complete knowledge-based articles in seconds using Support Genix AI. To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.